great to have you and great to have your participation in this great project. My name is Scott Jackson. I work as the Florida Sea Grant Extension Agent here in Bay County. We're part of the University of Florida Extension Service, which provides education information for a variety of different things. We have a family and consumer science agent who is our county extension director, Dr. Marjorie Moore. We have a 4-H youth program with Dr. Paula Davis, who's also in this building. And you'll see her sometimes with our military kids, working with different military bases throughout the area. We have our horticultural agent, Julie McConnell, and she works with the Master Gardener program and also helping our Bay County residents learn more about how they can be successful at growing their landscapes and helping our industries do well with, working with their ability to do the right things to protect the environment and non-point source pollution. My job is to help with the marine environment, and that's what we're here to do today, is to tell you about a good program that will help to eventually restore scallops to St. Andrew Bay. And then this is one of 3 sessions today. We'll do 3 more sessions in St. Joe later this week. FWC is the lead agency on the project, and here in Bay County, we're working not only with FWC, but we're also working with PCMI, Panama City Marine Institute, and specifically also the people that are housed there with St. Andrews Bay Resource Management Association, or Baywatch is typically what you may know them as, with their water quality testing that they do, and also some of the seagrass restoration and other living shoreline projects. So this fits into that really well. I'm going to introduce right now, I guess, Jen, do you want to come talk to them a little bit about your agencies and what you're up to, as far as maybe give them some instructions on the paperwork they've received and that type of thing. I'll go ahead and start the PowerPoint for you.
All right. Well, first of all, I'd like to say a very big thank you for showing up today. I think it's just to record for the webinar.
Right.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to just talk.
So I'll try to project. Can you guys hear me in the back? Yes? Okay. So thank you very much for showing up today. We really appreciate you volunteering to be a part of this scallop sitter program, and we hope that with your help, we'll be able to restore scallops in St. Andrew Bay. I'd also like to thank Scott for his help with this program and for helping by providing the facility for us to have the workshop in. So thank you very much, Scott and Sea Grant. I hope that you guys are ready today to hear a little bit about seagrass, bay scallop biology, the bay scallop fishery, our scallop restoration program, and finally at the end you'll receive your scallops and your cages. But before we get to the fun part, we're going to have to fill out some paperwork. So in your tote bags, there are folders that we told you about with some information. In the left-hand sleeve of the folder, there are some forms there that don't want to pull up right now on the PowerPoint. Parts of the forms need to be filled out and other parts, as indicated on the form, don't. There are 2 forms that you absolutely, there we go. Okay, here's the RSV form. So the top part of the form needs to be filled out. The middle part here is optional, and the bottom part you do not need to fill out. On the second page of that form, again, the top part needs to be filled out, the middle part does not, and the bottom part does. If you have multiple volunteers helping with your cages, then please have each of the volunteers sign the form. There's this other form, the regular service volunteer agreement form. Please fill out your name, sign it, and if there are any minors that are going to be working with you, the parent or guardian needs to sign the form. So those are 2 forms. Please do not leave here today without giving us those forms. Okay, I don't know what just happened there. So this other form is optional. It's our questionnaire that we've come up with to gauge your interest in scalloping and scallop-related activities. We would appreciate it if you would fill it out, but it's not necessary for you to fill out to become a scallop sitter. So with that, I will give you a little bit of time to fill out these forms. 5 to 10 minutes. After you finish filling out the form, please hold it up and our volunteers will come around and collect the form for you.